Hi Foundation students. Today for writing, we are going to be learning to write the sounds that we hear. And by the end of this lesson, you will have drawn a picture plan, done some labels, and written a sentence by using our phoneme fist to hear the sounds that we would like to write. So luckily I'm prepared and I have already drawn my picture plan. And in my picture, I've started doing some labeling already. I have labeled a tree and I had labeled a fire, a campfire. And looking at my picture, I'm going to choose some more things that I think I'll need to label to make it clear to others and also easier for me to go ahead and write my sentence. So here we have Kyle and me. We went fishing. So I went fishing at the river. So I'm going to label a fishing rod. And I think I'll label the river as well. So I'll draw my little line. Now, the word fishing. I can hear like in fish. Oh, that's funny, isn't it? So I'm pretty sure it's an F. I. Sh, like in shark. I. Sh. Ing. Ing. What can I hear? I. I think it's an N. Fishing. Now I think I'll do river next. River. Oh, river. I think you will need to know, will already know how to write this word, but this one doesn't need to have a capital letter at the start or an uppercase. It just needs a lowercase. River. What could it be? It could be like an umbrella. River. So I have fishing. I actually think that doesn't look right. I'm just going to pop a G on the end there so that we can talk about that another time. Fishing, river. Okay, I've done my labeling and now it's time for me to write my sentence. And now I'm going to say my sentence and count the words. I went fishing at the river. Okay, so I've got 6 words to write. And I'm going to start with I. We all know I. There it is. I, uppercase at the start. I went. So I'm going to have 4 letters representing those 4 sounds. W, like in watermelon. W, t, went. I went, and luckily I've already practiced fishing over here in my label, so now I can just write it on this side now, putting a finger space. I went fishing at. Oh, only 2. At. Oh, and I know that the next word, I went fishing at the. I know that it's a golden word. So I am going to use my little booklet, even though it's not what we're focusing on. At the. And I've already had a try at river. So I'm going over here to my picture plan again. River. I went fishing at the river. Now remember, when you are trying to hear those sounds in words, you're going to use your phoneme fist to put a finger up for each sound that you hear. W, e, n, t, went. Now it's your turn to have a think about a moment in your holidays that you could do a picture plan for, you could label, and then have a try at writing a sentence by hearing the sounds and writing them down. Have fun.